25 years. I have been doing this for over 25 years. I have tried every tooling system out there. I have tried every glue out there. I've tried every process out there. No glue has the power to pull a vehicle like a weld. It's known that no glue would have the power to move multiple layers of substrates.
I'm amazed.
It's the best tool in the world, man, bar none. Amazing. Wait till you see this. Let me show you something. How thin this is. It's the bond.
The adhesion on this is just unreal. 'Cause most times you'd be welding to do this type of situation. We had to put a blanket over the chain because we had so much pressure on it. I've been doing this 40 years and never seen any glue that could hold anything like this.
It's known that no glue has been able to bond to bare steel. No glue can stick to metal. I'm here to tell you that our adhesives absolutely can. So our substrate right now, that just came off, is 65 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? With an alcohol release, just saw us move multiple layers on metal. Come off to my right. I want you to look up inside here. We've got this inner structure that we're pulling with this section here, with the plastic tab, with our adhesive, the first of its kind, that'll actually go to metal. Where all other systems stop and fail, our adhesives alone can continue to be a success with something that's as thin as this. It is not about the amount or the quantity. It is about the bond though. And this is Solar Blitz. My goal is to create these products, to bring them to you, to decrease your cycle times, to increase your margins and make your lives better. That one, look at that. Look how thin that is. That's awesome. Somebody grab me the glue gun and the extra thick glue. Come here.
There we go. We're in it.
company was founded with the intentions of making the boots on the ground more efficient all the way up to the corporation structure. But we start with the technicians and we work up. We do not work from the corporation and go down.
175. That's magic.
That is science. That is technology.
Is there any glue on the panel itself?
There. That's all that was there between those two. That's it.
Thickness of a piece of paper.
That's it, if that. The glue revolution is coming.